At 6:44 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near land between the lakes area, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near land between the lakes area around 6:50 a.m. Canton around 7 a.m. Katy is around 7:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Aurora and Rock Castle. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 52 and 54. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Lyon, Marshall, and Trigg. Taking a look at your 7-day... Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Lyon, Marshall, and Trigg. Around 70. Southwest winds around 15 miles.
The Murray Bank is proud to serve Murray and Callaway County by providing...
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murray, Cherokee, and Harris Grove. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 a.m. for the following county: Callaway, Kentucky. Taking a look at your 7-day... until 6:45 a.m. for northern Callaway County. At 6:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Murray, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murray. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 a.m. for the following county: Callaway, Kentucky. Flood watch remains in effect through the